Hey guys, what's up? My name is Arya. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to test some 5-minute craft study hack. Let's see, do they really work or not? Let's watch our first hack. This is how the result came. I wrote "You Go Girl" in between, as you can see. Honestly, I liked it and I would give this a thumbs up. You must try this, and I would give this 9.5 out of 10. I'm deducting half marks because of the colors. As you can see, it didn't came perfectly, but that's fine. I will color it from watercolor and then I would stick right there. Let's watch second hack together. Okay, so I would give the second hack 8 out of 10. It works. One of my mistake was using a dark colored paper. Please use a light colored paper. And the second thing is it leave stain. If you can see, I don't know if you can or not, but it does leave stain. So I would give it 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's move on to the third hack. So let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to use my wrist as center and then make a circle. This hack does its job, but it is not a substitute to compass, so please buy a compass and then use it. I would give this a 9 out of 10 because if you have bigger hand, then how will you do? You need I have used 2 pages. Please use a compass instead of using your hand. The fourth hack is actually similar to the third one, so also watch this. So what they are doing is put your hand like this, use your index finger as a center and try. So this hack is a thumbs down for me. Why I'm saying this is, you can see the circle. This is not how you should make. Please buy a compass, and if you don't have stronger index finger, you will not able, every time your center will be changed. So this is not perfect. See the fifth hack. For this hack, we have some paper. What we are going to do is simply fold it. Let me fold it. Then again fold it. I would fold it like this. Yeah. Right. If you want to fold it again, then again fold it. Nice. Now use a stapler and pin this 3 times like this from a side, and then cut the excess from the 3 sides by a scissor, of course. Done. Okay, so I would give this hack a 10 out of 10 because this is perfect and I do use it to make to-do list. Think how would you use it, and I would say you to give this a try. So yeah, this was perfect. Okay, so moving on to the next hack. Here Let's see if it works or not. So I have question paper here. Let's cut this and satisfy each student. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. Sorry, I am unable to show you what I'm doing here, so I'm so sorry about that. So here's the paper, water. Let's drop it and see the result. This is working. Let's see. Oh, this is actually working. Let me dry it, then I would show you. I didn't expect it. See, everything got printed. Oh my god. A big thumbs up. I am saying I'm shocked, surprised. This worked actually. Fabulous. And now let's move on to the last hack. Let's give this a shot. Here we have 3 highlighters of 3 different colors. So let's mix and match. I'm going to add this color into orange. Now let's see. I would give this 6 out of 10 because it works. You can see orange more than this color and this color. So if you want to experiment, you can. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you liked this video and found it enjoyable. If you like this video, then please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to. There I also post something, so you can check. I would add a link in description box, or I would add my ID in description box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again so much for watching this video if you're watching till now, and stay healthy, stay safe in this tough time. Please take care of your health, stay strong, positive. Wish you a lot of success, luck, and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye bye until we meet. Love you a lot. Take care.